So today we're going to be using one of our make your own kits. The kit includes this lovely selection of dried flowers, and it also comes complete with a zinc antique whitewashed bucket and a block of dry foam. Thank you so much for watching today's demo. I hope this inspired you to have a go at doing this yourself. You can actually find all of our flower boxes and our DIY kits on our website. So visit www.trianglenursery.co.uk and we have both fresh and dried kits that you can select from. And as always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip number 1, make sure the arrangement is placed in a dry environment and away from direct sunlight. Sunlight will actually bleach some of the products. And then top tip number 2, avoid placing this near candles or an open fire, or in fact any kind of heat source, because the dried flowers are flammable, so present a bit of a fire hazard. And then top tip number 3, dry flowers are really brittle, so place the design in a safe position. And by safe, I mean somewhere perhaps where it's not going to get knocked or tipped over or brushed against. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and also comment in the box below, because we love to receive feedback on what you think about our arrangements. Also, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe for lots more tips, hints and inspiration ideas for arrangements that you can actually create for yourselves, for your home, friends or family. Alright, and I look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now. Bye.